The Toyota Auris, the forgotten member of the hatchback class, isn't it? Not anymore, says Toyota, because this is the new Auris, and it is a very striking looking car, isn't it? It follows in the footsteps of the Prius and the C-HR in debuting a new wacky design at Toyota. And I have to say the Auris does look pretty good. Now you'll note that it says hybrid on the number plate. And with the Auris there'll be two hybrid powertrains, not one but two. There'll be a 1.8, which the Toyota Prius uses, and a new 2-litre hybrid powertrain with 177 brake horsepower. Now Toyota says along with the Prius and the C-HR, the Auris will be a new sporty Toyota. It will drive better than any other Auris ever before. We'll have to wait and see whether Toyota is true on that claim or not. Along with the two hybrid powertrains, there will be a familiar 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol and no diesels here at all. Good news if you're a Brexit fan, because the Auris will continue to be made in Britain, in Derbyshire, and it will be going on sale later this year with prices kicking off from around £20,000. What do you think to it? Let us know in the comment section below.